Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone's doing well. I have a unboxing here from Asian skincare site called Pink and Blossom, and I'll link it below. I did order from them, I think just after Christmas, and yeah, I was really happy with the service. They give out a generous amount of samples. I think the last time I ordered, I got about 12 samples. I got another 12 samples with this order. So they had a sale at the time. If you spent $89, you get $19 off. Plus I had $6 of reward points. And so my $90 order came to $65. It's free shipping if you spend $59 or more. They do ship to the States, and they have a good selection of different brands from Korea. So I thought I'd order again from them. And then I did do a just a small order from YesStyle, which is based in South Korea. So I will start with the Pink and Blossom, and I'll go through the sample, like the free samples they gave to me. And yeah, they're very, very generous with their samples. I love samples. They're great for traveling. They're great for trying out a product you're not sure about. You don't want to spend all that money, but you just want to try it out. So yeah, I really do appreciate all these samples that they do give out. So the first one is by Jejun. It's toner. And the first time I ordered, they did send me the lotion, so I can use both of these for traveling. They did send a couple of the Easter scalp solutions, so it's for a variety of scalp issues in that. And then this is by Gerson. It's a lotion. And this is the Misha bee pollen. Anytime I've tried bee pollen, it sort of has a tightening effect on my skin, a kind of lifting and firming kind of effect on my skin. This is the Cosrx Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. Now I do have the large size of this, and it's a very good cream, so this will be excellent for traveling. And this one is Cosrx Salicylic Acid Daily Gentle Cleanser. So yeah, I think it's salicylic acid is maybe a little more for acne prone and oily skin, so I'll just give this to Jules. This is by Near Skin Derma Cosmetics. It's a cleansing oil and a cleansing cream. I really do love my cleansing oils, so I like to always try a new one, and this will be perfect if I'm just going away for a night. Just throw this in, and it doesn't take up too much room. And this is a line from Misha. And it's got a toner, a cream, an emulsion. And I won't try to pronounce this, but I've heard very good things about this company. It has a cream, toner, serum, moisture ampule. And they did send a mask, the Centella SOS Repair Cica Centella mask. And I've heard really good things about Cica and the Centella. I think Centella, there's a plant called Tiger Balm or something like this, and if a tiger has a cut or something, it rolls in this plant and it heals up the tiger's cuts or something. Anyway, I have read up on the Cica and the Centella, and it's just very good for healing and soothing and that sort of thing. So that was the free samples, which is great. And then I did order. These were on sale for 50 cents. I think they were $2.50 or $3. And they are foot masks, so you get like a little booty, and then you get a little booty. You get little boots, and then you put the serum inside the boots, and you put them on for, not sure, an hour or an hour and a half. No! Leave. No. Abigail. No. She gets her mouth on a few of these things already. But they were on for 50 cents, and yeah, I just thought I'd give those a try. I got a couple of them just to help kind of soften up those calluses on my feet. And then, oh Lord, Abigail! This is the Self-Control Firming Massage. And you put this on before bedtime. It's got lots of yummy ingredients. You get like 200 mils, which is a huge amount. This is going to last me forever. And it's a very sticky cream, and it says it helps nourish skin while you're sleeping. So you put it on and you just pat your skin like this for 30 seconds to a minute. And then after it stops being sticky, roll gently until absorbed. So you just pat it, and then once it's not sticky, then you just sort of kind of massage it in there. So, and it does have a very, it is quite sticky. Kind of reminds me of snail snot, but it's quite sticky. But yeah, I just can't remember all the ingredients offhand, but it sounds like it has very good ingredients. And I did buy this puff shower. It's supposed to help clean your beauty sponges. So it's a concentrated cleanser. So I was going to try that on my little sponges, my little sponge blenders and that. Try it on my brushes too. If it'll work on a sponge, it'll work on a brush. And then I got three different peeling gels. I thought I got two. I got three. Anyway, this is by a Pew, which I think is a sister company of Misha. And this is the Crystal Naked Peeling Gel. And so all these gels, peeling gels, you put them on after you washed your face, and then you just kind of rub it, and the solution just kind of lifts off the dead cells, and that helps whatever you're putting on after you clean your skin. This helps take the dead skin cells off, and by getting rid of that layer of dead skin, the products that come on after absorb better because they don't have to go fight their way through all the dead skin cells. That just basically kind of sums up my impression of them anyhow. So this one has diamond powder and pearl powder in it, and I did read the list of ingredients, and there is diamond powder in here. So, and then I did get the one from Cloud, the brightening peel gel, cooling and deep clean and mild care. So yeah, that's by Cloud, and that's what that looks like. And then this is by Mizon. This is the Apple Smoothie Peeling Gel. There. And this one, what does this one say? Natural cellulose rolls up with the dead skin cells, sebum, and skin waste when rubbed. The smooth texture of Gommage Peeling Gel works on skin mildly without irritation. Sorry, the writing is really tiny here. Apple and sugarcane maple extracts moisturize and soothe the skin after the exfoliation. Yeah, you just put it on this one says a cleanse dry face, rub for 1 to 2 minutes, and then rinse off. So those are the peeling gels. But yeah, I thought I got two, but I got three. And then they had this package. The regular price of this package was $45, and they had it on sale for $20. You get 10 masks plus 3 very generous size samples. And so yeah, I just love my mask, so I thought I'd give it a try. This one is a hand care pack, and it's got the essence in it and then some gloves that you can put on. And yeah, that I need because my hands are like lizards there in the wintertime. This is anti-wrinkle and whitening Beno Beji. Probably not pronouncing that one right. And this is by Papa Recipe. I've heard these masks are quite good, these Papa Recipes ones, so I'm glad I can try it. This is the Orange Squeeze Energy Mask. This is by MediHeal, and I've tried these masks in the past, and I really do like them. This is a Black Charcoal Mesh Peel Mask. And this is also by MediHeal. This is cute. Now this one has ceramide in it, and ceramide is normally found in your skin. It's kind of that lipid, fatty solution to help retain moisture and act as like a moisture retaining barrier. So I've been really liking some of the ceramide products that I've tried. So you get, this is cute, this little Ivy bag here, filled with the essence, and then you get the mask. So it's like a two-step process. This is also by MediHeal. Saccharomyces ferment filtrate. So the Saccharomyces, I think, is from like what am I thinking of? It's like the yeast extract and that sort of thing. And anyway, I'm not going to read every little detail on there, but this is by JM Solutions, the Moisture and Nutrition Duo. And this is also by J. Jun Cosmetics. This is the plant stem cell mask. This is squalene and collagen. And squalene is another solution that's normally found in the skin. And like everything with age, it decreases. So yeah, it's moisturizing the squalene. And this is also by MediHeal. And niacin activator system. Creamy serum brightening mask. And this is by MediHeal also. And I'm assuming this is some kind of plant extract. Abigail, get out of there. Oh, she's just so restless today. MediHeal Circle Point Mask. And this is by J. Jun, also the Honeydew Purple Mask. Oh, jeepers. Anyway, this looks like it has a lot of fruit extracts, which are kind of exfoliating. And also in the package was this Misha bee pollen. Good size sample of that one. And then the last time I ordered from the Pink and Blossom, I did get a large jar of the I think it was their night cream, and the package was the same as these. And yeah, I'm really liking that. It's great for a night mask, and it's so moisturizing. And so this is a toner and the emulsion with it. I just love the packaging. So so these three generous trial sizes and the 10 masks were like $20 in this package. So yes, I think that's it for, oh, Abigail, did you take that stuff? Oh, anyway, just drive me mad. Oh, I think that's it, right? I did that one already. Okay, so she's got me distracted. The YesStyle, I just did a small haul from YesStyle, which is based in Korea. The Pink and Blossom, it took like 3 days to get here. Of course, it's located in Canada. The YesStyle took about a month to get here, but it's coming for Korea. So I did order this sunscreen. It's by the company Mentholatum, which makes the Hada Labo products, and I really like the Hada Labo toners and that. And this is the Cerafit Skin Aqua. It has SPF 50+, which covers the UVB rays, and it's got PA, which covers the UVA rays. It has 4 pluses after it, and which is really good protection. And oh, I'm gonna have to turn off. I got this little ring light, and I think it's losing its power. But yeah, I haven't used this yet, but I used it on my hand, and it absorbs nicely. It doesn't leave that sticky, oily slick. It feels just very natural. It maybe slightly mattifies, but not too much. But I really did like the feel of it. And then I got a little sample of this Laneige night cream. I do have this little sample size, which is 1/2 ounce or 15 mils in their original scent. And yeah, I'll take it down with me on vacation for a week, and I use it every night for a week, and it lasts the whole week. So a little goes a long way, and it doesn't look like a large jar, but it lasts me a whole week if I use it every night. This is a really good night mask. This one definitely smells like lavender, so if you can't tolerate lavender or any scents in your skincare, then I would avoid this one and maybe just stick with the original one. And this is a ginger sugar overnight lip mask, and I just can't see the name of the company on there. The Laneige one is the lip mask is excellent. I love that one. It's $24 Canadian, and you get 20 grams, but it lasts forever. I've had that thing for a year, and I'm only halfway through it. This one is about half the price. It has a little bit more. It has 25 grams. So if you're looking for a little less expensive alternative, this one feels much more Vaseline-like, whereas the Laneige is not quite as thick, but this definitely feels like Vaseline. So I wake up and it still feels like this is on my lips, so it lasts the night, which is great. That's what I want. I don't want to wake up with everything rubbed off my lips and they're dry. So I did use this a couple of nights, and yeah, I woke up and my lips were still moist and supple and not dry at all. So it's just a little thicker. Does smell like ginger. It's not overwhelming by any means, but I really do like it. And I did get a pair of earrings. They do have some nice jewelry. I think these were like $4 or something like that. So you put this goes on your lobe here, and then this dangles behind your earlobe, and they're very, very pretty. And then they just gave me a couple samples. They're not generous like Pink and Blossom. They gave me some of the Misha bee pollen, and this is a foam cleansing soap. And then the last thing is this Maison Snail Repair Intensive BB Cream. This one has SPF 50 and PA+++. Now the only thing with this one, a lot of the BB creams, Korean ones, there's not a big color range. Plus they're very cool toned, so they almost go on like a bit gray. But I find that any of the BB creams that I've tried from Korea, they just oxidize or just adjust, and after a minute or two, it doesn't even look like I have anything on. It doesn't alter my skin color and that. So this one is very peachy tone though, and I did put it on the top of this hand. Now I don't know if you can see, but you can see how peachy it is here compared to my other hand. So this one, it goes on and doesn't change color like the other ones. So I probably have to save this for the summer because it's a little bit dark right now. But the snail mucin or snail snot is very good for you, and it's got SPF and it's got some other goodies in there to really help out the skin. So I thought I'd just give this one a try. And that's it, guys. So yeah, I need to cut back. I got to use all this stuff up. I've been going a little bit crazy, but anyway, yeah, check out Pink and Blossom. It's an excellent site. There's always some kind of sale on, and yeah, there's very generous with the samples. Yeah, it's a wonderful site, and so I hope you enjoyed. If you tried any of this stuff, let me know how it went, and we'll see you soon. Take care, and see you later. Bye bye.